Hello once again and welcome to CSIT 316, Web Development Using Content Management Systems. We are now going to look at how to work with plugins inside of WordPress. Now for the overview of this session, we have looked at how to install plugins previously, and now we are going to delve into the importance of plugins and see how plugins can be customized without writing any HTML or CSS code. Now, after completing the session, you should be able to explain the importance of plugins. You should be able to add different functionalities to your website with the aid of plugins, and then you should be able to customize the installed plugins. Now, WordPress plugins are scripts that are produced by various programmers that will provide you with numerous choices to make some changes to your website. Now, for instance, a plugin may be used as a spam avoidance tool or to read recent comments. Now we'll look at some examples of plugins and their advantages. Now let's look at the WordPress live chat plugin. Now if you're using WordPress for your business or product sales, then the WordPress live chat plugin will allow you to discuss issues directly with your customers, and then they will be able to ask you questions and you'll be able to give live support to them as well. Now, you will also be able to create booking and email forms by using the advanced booking calendar, which is another plugin in WordPress. Now, there are WordPress plugins that allows you to do a number of things, and we've looked at two of them. There's also another one for security, which is WordPress Security. Now, some of the best security features available can be found with Security Ninja. It's the idea behind years of security information and technology has been put into one unique plugin known as Security Ninja. And this plugin secures both your website and your customers' information by creating a secure online experience. We also have effective search engine optimization tools. The full meaning of SEO is search engine optimization. Now, SEO is one of the most important tools to utilize for any website or blog. Now, if you want your site to be viewed by more than just a few passing individuals, you should equip your site with SEO plugins that let Google see you like a sore thumb amongst the others. Now, let's see how using plugins, or let's see how to use plugins. Now, many plugins come with different settings to help you customize its features. So you can explore as many plugins as you wish. Once you have a development environment, as we mentioned from the beginning, you can install XAMPP, get a copy of WordPress from the WordPress website. You download it, you unzip it into your root folder, and then you follow the installation procedure, which should be fairly straightforward. And then you'll be able to do all the things that we have discussed. And when you get to the plugin section, you'll be able to install as many plugins as you desire and then see how they work. Now, WP Socializer is an all-in-one complete social media plugin, which will be able to add native social media buttons, icons, floating share bar, followers buttons, and so on. All the things you have to do with social media will be made available on your website. Now, how do we install WP Socializer? You install it just as any ordinary plugin. Now, once you are done, on your left panel as well, you find a new menu option that will be there called WP Socializer. WP is the short form for WordPress, and then you have this page displayed, which is the WordPress Socializer, and then you can play around, make some changes, do some settings, and then see how they behave. So we also look at creating buttons from a drop-down list. You just select which of the social media engines you want: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on, Instagram, and just click on the Create button, and then it will create all these hooks for you. Now you drag buttons, you rearrange the way you want, and then you can preview. Now you can explore other settings about our WP Socializer, and once you're done, you click on Save Settings and you're good to go. Now this is the plugin in action. welcome to your site. This is your home page, and then you see all these buttons available to you now. And this has been done by your WP Socializer. Great tool. Now the references for this particular session has been our recommended text, which is Larry Stephanie's Beginning WordPress 3, and also information from WordPress.org on plugins and the particular plugin WP Socializer. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you next time when we come off with the next session.